In this video, we're diving into how to use Salesforce for marketing automation and why it's a game changer for businesses of all sizes. Stick around to the end because I'm going to show you how to access this powerful tool for free with some exclusive bonuses. First off, if you're not familiar with Salesforce, it's one of the most widely used customer relationship management (CRM) platforms out there. But did you know it can also be a robust tool for marketing automation? That's right. It's not just about managing customer data. It can help you create targeted campaigns, automate your email marketing, and track engagement with ease. Next thing, let's talk about email marketing automation. With Salesforce, you can design automated email campaigns that trigger based on customer actions. For example, you can set up a series of welcome emails when someone subscribes or follow-up emails based on how they interact with your website. This saves time and ensures you're always in touch with your leads and customers without lifting a finger after the setup. The third thing, lead scoring. This feature helps prioritize leads based on how likely they are to convert. Using Salesforce's automation, you can create custom lead scoring rules that track activities such as clicks, website visits, or even social media interactions. Once a lead reaches a certain score, you can automatically assign them to the right sales rep or send a personalized email. This ensures you're always following up with the right leads at the right time. The fourth thing, segmentation. Salesforce lets you segment your contact lists based on various factors, demographics, behavior, past interactions, so you can tailor your marketing efforts. By automating this process, you can ensure each customer receives messages that resonate with them, whether that's a special offer, an educational piece, or a product recommendation. Fifth thing, social media automation. Salesforce doesn't just work with email, it also integrates with your social media accounts. You can track social interactions and automate posting to create a consistent, engaging presence on platforms like Twitter, Facebook, or LinkedIn, all from within Salesforce. This allows you to reach customers at different touchpoints and maintain an ongoing relationship. Finally, let's talk about analytics. One of the most powerful aspects of using Salesforce for marketing automation is its reporting tools. Once your campaigns are live, you'll get detailed insights on how they're performing. You can easily track email open rates, lead conversion, and ROI, giving you the data needed to tweak and optimize future campaigns for maximum impact. As I mentioned at the start, you can get started with Salesforce today completely free and get access to some exclusive bonuses. Just click the first link in the description below. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to automate and grow your marketing efforts. By the way, remember that this extended free trial is an exclusive offer for those watching this video. If you're ready to take your marketing to the next level, click that link and start using Salesforce for marketing automation today.